This is our lesson 44 project, PIR sensor with a passive buzzer. It's going to greet our birthday person when he walks in the door with the happy birthday song. Once again, he walks in the door, plays the song. Happy birthday to you. Just for the sake of experimenting, let's try a real speaker and see what that does. As he walks in the door, happy birthday song. Wow, definitely a lot louder. So let's take a look at that, see how much current is drawing. It's definitely a lot louder. Just wondering what our transistor thinks about it. So let's run it up here and pass over and see what it's going to read as far as voltage. The resistance of the, measured the resistance of the speaker is 7.5 ohms. And we're right across the speaker with the voltmeter. So let's see what it's going to do here. Okay, about 1.6 volts max. So that over the 7.5 ohm speaker. So it's drawing about 213 milliamps. 213 milliamps, and our transistor is rated for 500 milliamps. So we're within spec. Now let's go over the code. I set my tones up in a separate tab called pitches. You can select the tabs here on the upper right hand corner. New tab. We created a new tab called pitches. That's where I have my defines for all the codes that you can that are available. Put it in a different tab, and then we go over to our main tab with our sketch, and we just include that pitches H is the other tab that we have. And then we declare some variables. Our frequency array, where we're going to store our frequencies, our duration for each frequency. And we go into the setup. We're going to make our third array, which is called durations. And we're going to give each tone a unit number, and we're going to multiply that unit number by this constant 250 to give us a total duration time. It did that and it made it easier to adjust. So to get the thing tuned correctly like you want, all you have to do is just change this, and it'll automatically, when we go through this for loop, it'll multiply each unit by the correct constant. Right here we have 250. Then we go into the loop. We read the state of the PIR sensor. If it's high, that means we've detected movement. We print happy birthday, and then we play the happy birthday song, which is derived from this third array called durations. We play that through. If it's not high, it means no motion detected. We go to the else statement here, and we continue monitoring.